Yo, it's Jabbar with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to do a proper hammer curl. Let's get into the video. This is a famous exercise, and in order to do this exercise, you need a set of dumbbells, of course. So, you're going to start off with the dumbbells on your side. And then just imagine you're a construction worker hammering. So you're basically going to go up like that and go down. So just be standing up in a neutral position with the dumbbells beside your side, like I said. And we're going to go up with both dumbbells. We're going to go up, squeeze, and control on the way down. Up, squeeze, control on the way down. Up, squeeze, control on the way down. And you will want to continue the reps. If you can't control the weight back down, this probably means you have too much weight. This is your first time at this channel and you want to increase your knowledge about fitness, learn more exercises, fitness tips, so much more, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any content. I have some other videos that you can watch, like this one. See you later. Thank you for watching.